what I want to do here now is, as I take the arms, whether I scroll or cross grip, see what I did there? So I'm going for the arm. He's blocking it with this hand. I'm fighting. I end up going this way, but in the process, see his arm and shoulder are all open here? So what I'm going to do is take my hand through to the shoulder and put my chest on his elbow. See that? And I'm going to elevate the elbow, the shoulder, and sit right underneath him here. Cross face. I'm being nice because Gus is a nice guy. Plus I know when he's a black belt he's going to be killing us all. Okay, so go there. But what you can do, I tell them to put the hand on the ground, but put their forearm on their face, like that. And I pull his shoulder up, free my leg, sit down on his shoulder, and come back. Now I like to re-bite. What I mean by that is gravity takes me down, but I'll come back here and grab my lapel. Now I won't go straight back, I'll go up. Circle round, squeeze my knees, and the armbar goes on. And what I like about this, a lot of guys when they're beginning will grab the wrist and fall back and tweak your elbow. But by doing it with the shoulder, there's no elbow tweak. We've got complete control. Okay, so I'm in this position once again. Trying to get the arm, can't get it. Yeah, I can even just, I don't care about crossing over because really I want the Juji Gatame. I don't, so go like that. And when this arm comes up, I reach all the way through to the shoulder. And then I put my chest on his elbow. So now I kind of have that elbow and arm trapped. Then come in here, cross face, hand on the mat, take my head away. So my leg goes light, bring it around. If you get it to there, that's enough. Because when you come back, it'll fall into position. And you see when I've come back, because I've got pressure on the shoulder, sometimes you feel the pressure there, guys?
Yeah.
And you feel the pressure there now?
Yeah.
It's almost like I want to tap without the armbar. Okay? Then I'll come back up, reconnect. If the hands are connected, there's 1,000 different ways to break that because there's 1,000 different grips. But I'll just come up, often I'll just put this foot on the crook of the elbow, fall up, come straight back, squeeze the knees, lie back. Okay?